Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick unboxing and review of an Eabhulie Honor 70 case, which I purchased on Amazon. We'll link in the description to where you can buy this on the Amazon UK website. So this is a relatively affordable case. It did take about a week to arrive from the day I ordered it. And as we can see, the packaging is pretty simple. It's a plastic bag, styrofoam in the middle to give it some shape. And we can see on the inside there's a nice little bit of felt soft touch material so that you're avoiding scratching the back of your Honor 70 smartphone. So we're going to put the device into the case, starting with the right hand side. And there we have it. So it fits quite well. It does add some bulk to the device. As you can see, it has panels here that give it a bit of texture. So in terms of grippiness, it is actually very good. And it squares off the sides a bit. That means that it is a little bit more boxy than the device itself. So it does add some volume to the Honor 70. Let's check out the buttons and how they perform. So on-off works fine, no issue there. Volume up and volume down, let's check that, yep. No stickiness, they work fine, very responsive. So good to see that's happening as expected. At the top we have a little cutout for a microphone, that's all there is there. And at the back there's the two camera modules are cut out of the device. There is also the external lip around the two circular camera modules. That gives you about a millimeter clearance from the modules themselves. So pretty good protection there for putting your device back down on a surface. Now we've seen the extensions to the buttons, no stickiness there, we're happy with that. On the left hand side, nothing, apart from some ribbed sections, which again make this a little less slippy. And at the bottom we have a little port for the cutout for the USB Type-C port, the microphone, and the speaker grill. So everything as expected. One thing to bear in mind is this case doesn't seem to have a lanyard loop cutout. There's nowhere to put a lanyard loop. And apart from that, I'd say this is a decent case. It does offer a little bit of protection for the front of the phone. Though, as always, I do recommend you have a screen protector on. But the key thing here is that it does, at the top and the bottom, give you a little bit of a lift. So if you put the device face down, it gives it some protection. So decent case for £6.99 on Amazon. As I said earlier, we'll put a link in the description to where you can purchase this case. And if you do purchase this case or any other Amazon product, you'll be supporting Tech Travel Geeks because this is an affiliate link. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.